This is how you make creamy tuna pasta without the fishy aftertaste. What I love about this recipe is that it's so easy to make and everything can be made in one pot. It's packed with flavor and you won't feel guilty eating this. First, you want to cook your tuna chunks and some of the olive oil from the can on medium heat. Since the star of this dish is tuna, we're going to be using only premium tuna. I love using Gold Sea's Yellowfin Tuna chunks and olive oil because it's made from 100% Yellowfin tuna and it doesn't have a fishy aftertaste. It also has lots of olive oil which makes it healthy and brings even more flavor to this dish. Add some mushroom pieces to the tuna chunks and let it cook for a few minutes. Follow that off with cream and make sure that each tuna chunk is well coated with the cream. You want to have a nice and creamy sauce. Once that's done, fold in your cooked spaghetti so that every noodle is covered with the sauce. Grate a generous amount of cheese on top of your pasta and serve hot. And there you have it. Boom, we're done. Follow for more.